Today, what is the date? 1st of December 2025. And the day is Monday. And you are the leaders of your respective classes because you are the CR, the monitor. First monitor, second monitor, boy monitor, girl monitor. Now, I am going to ask you the report of all the students. Boys will give the report of all boys. Girls monitor will give the report of all the girls. What report? It is about manners, etiquettes. It is about the classwork, homework, memory work, copy checking report by the teachers, which subject copy not checked, which subject wrong checked, which subject understanding problem, whatever you want to say, not personally, but for your whole class friends, classmates. Whether you are personally happy or not, satisfied or not, that is not the question. The point is you are representing your class students, your classmates. So you got my point? The small class students will understand better when I start with the seniors. Okay? So class 10th is here? Okay. First of all, class 10 boy monitors will give me the reporting from first to last periods, what subjects and what problems or what things going on. Speak. Come
Studies
close,
are
man.
going better and better because our board classes are there. So there are some extra classes. Our sports activities are sometimes are not given, but we are happy about that. And all students are giving best in their academics, and all teachers are giving best to study our
Comparatively, what subject lagging behind?
social science.
Social studies.
Yes.
There are four
Articles.
parts of it, and two are completed or three?
So today third will complete.
Third. So one is pending.
This one.
So sir is giving extra time, extra period.
Yes.
Okay, I will also. And 10th class? Yes. Any boy of 10th more? No? Yes. 10th girls.
Sir, the study is
Speak
going well.
loudly.
The study is going well now. Comparative to that, now there is every subject is completed. The course is fully completed now, but some students who disturb the class.
Okay. You give me the names. Fine, not now, on a paper. Give me the names of the disturbing students. So we will, because now this is the high time for studies. So if there are students who are creating disturbance in the class, they should be treated in a different way. You know, spare the rod and spoil the child. कुछ होते हैं लातों के भूत, वो बातों से नहीं मानते हैं. So we will have to talk to the parents and inform them also. Fine. Yes.
Sir, everything is very well. The studies are also
Okay. Yes. Class
and
10.
the study is going very well, sir, because we are the host students.
Okay. Class?
8.
No, ninth. Yes. Report. From first to last period, subjects and everything. You have heard me? Okay. Yeah.
All subjects are very well.
Speak loudly.
So all
Come
subject
close.
all subject are very well. Only for social studies.
Okay. Extra period going on?
Yes.
I will tell sir to take extra care. Because SST is always a challenge. Four parts are there. So like if you take one, then there is a psychology के यार अभी three बाकी हैं. If they complete three, then तो ये तो touch ही नहीं हुआ अभी तक. So there is a strategy of every teacher. So I will also talk about it. And something. All is well.
Yes.
Class 9. Yes.
Sir, sports
Cover the
period,
student.
sports period will be not taken.
Okay. Now is the time for exams and studies, so no games and sports. Only focus on studies. Class?
9B.
Yes.
All students was giving best, but some students are disciplined.
Discipline issues?
Yes.
So you give me the names. Okay? Today or tomorrow, give me the names. Okay. Class? Yes.
The course is almost completed in all subjects except SS social science and especially in history and economics.
Okay.
And sports period is cancelled because exams are coming.
Exams. Okay. Don't worry about sports and all these things. Why? Because next session we have got a wonderful plan for sports. You will get crystal clear option for selection of games and the practice for games, then inter class tournaments and the local sports events by the Shiksha Vibhag, our government department, and CBSE cluster also. We have got a beautiful plan for next session. Don't worry about sports. Yeah.
Class 9, every subject is going well except some students are creating indiscipline in our class.
Okay, so give
Everything
me
is
the
fine.
list.
Okay,
Fine.
sir.
Class 8. Report.
Everything is going well, but some students are disturbing in class.
Okay, some disturbing students. So give me the list. Fine. Not one day, 2 day. Those who are disturbing on everyday basis, only give the list of everyday basis disturbing students. ऐसे नहीं कि आज उसने ये कर दिया, that's why there is some issue. Okay. जिनका presentation हो गया, silently move. Yes. Class? है? No, no. Class 7. Your? 8 boys. Report.
Studying is going well, and all periods and all subjects are completed in all course. But some students are disturbing the class and dirty comments are giving.
Some bad words and
Yes,
all
sir.
that. Okay. This is the effect of very bad uh, reels and very bad TV programs and these web series going on. They watch it all and they spoil their brains, they spoil their language and use that dirty words here. But you give me the list. I will explain.
सर some students in class में hearing
Class?
सब घूमते हैं
Moving here and there. Okay. Every day, well, in the presence of the teacher.
lunch time.
So it is the responsibility of the teacher. I
Yes,
will
sir.
talk. I will talk. Rest studies going on well?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, you keep
All
reporting.
courses are completed.
Okay, good, good. Class? 7. Come here. Report.
Everything is well.
Hmm. Any subject, any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. All is well?
Yes, sir.
You and all your friends are happy?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next.
Class 7.
Hmm.
Sir, everything is well, but some students are disturbing.
Okay.
And in 5th period of Lalita ma'am, everyone is talking.
Hmm.
And the last period,
Okay.
Savita last period.
Okay. I will talk.
Everyone is moving.
Only in
here
one
and there.
particular period or in all the periods?
Not all the periods, sir.
Only one?
Last period
Okay.
of Savita ma'am
Haan.
and in Lalita ma'am's period.
Okay. We will talk. Fine?
you, sir.
Okay. Fine. Yes.
All fine, sir. But
Facing any problem?
no, sir. But Lakshit Pawar is talking.
Okay. Give the list. Give the names. Okay.
All right.
On everyday basis, disturbing, creating students. Fine. Yes. Class?
7C.
हाँ.
Some students like Viren, Parth, Pramod, moving here and
Give the list. Rest studies going on well? Any subject, any problem? Teaching, understanding? What? कौन सा subject? All is well ना? Okay. Fine. Yes, beta.
Sir, all boys are talking, not listening me.
One particular subject or in every subject, every period?
Every एक्टिविटी अगर है ना कराटे ऐसे कुछ होगा तो वो ऐसे चिल्लाएंगे
Okay.
कि हमें स्पोर्ट्स ही खेलना है और कुछ नहीं खेलना है।
Okay.
सर मीना
So give a list.
मीना मैम हैज प्रॉब्लम।
Okay.
कि सब बॉयज हर पीरियड में बोलते हैं कि हर बार बोलते हैं कि स्पोर्ट्स करना जो कराटे
No, no.
डांस
Now all activities are cancelled because of the exams coming now. So tell your friends about teaching or any problem. Okay. All the best. Thank you. All is well.
Yes.
Any subject, any problem?
No, sir.
Class. All is well.
Yes.
Okay. Class.
40
Any subject, any problem?
यस सर
What?
सर अपर्णा मैम है जो डस्टर से है ना बेंच पे ऐसे मतलब करते तो डस्ट हो जाती है
अच्छा अच्छा. Okay. So I will talk.
और
Fine.
सर सम स्टूडेंट्स आर डिस्टर्बिंग
Okay. Give the list. Rest teaching is all subject
यस
good. Which subject problem? No? English. Who is teaching English? Okay. We will talk. I will talk. She will explain again. Okay? Fine. Go. Class? Done? Okay. Class? Okay. Any subject, any problem? All going on well?
Yes.
Okay. Good. Nice. All is well? Yes. Any subject, any problem? All is well? Okay. Next. Sixth class. You also sixth? Yes. Say your report. Everything is okay? Speak loudly.
Anising and Kunal was disturbing the class.
Disturbing the class. So give the list to the class teacher. Okay? Disturbing students, give the list tomorrow in the class teacher first period. Fine? Okay, go. And
Sixth class.
any issue?
No sir.
All is well?
Yes sir.
Good. Take care of yourself and your class also. Yes.
Sir, everything is going
Class?
well. Six.
Class 6? Any subject, any problem?
No sir.
All is well?
Yes sir.
Okay. All the best. Good. Yes. Class? 5th? A. Any subject, any issue? Any teacher beating or any boy using bad words? Boy, girl? Fifth C. Yes. Any subject, any problem?
No sir.
All is well?
Yes sir.
From first to last period, everything is going on well?
Yes sir. Some talkative boys.
Some talkative students are there. They are always spoiling the sports. कुछ बच्चे हैं जो मतलब शैतानी करने के लिए ही मतलब स्कूल आते हैं, है ना? तो उनको अच्छी वाली सर बैटिंग करनी पड़ेगी. Rest all teaching, no problem ना? Understanding, no problem?
Yes sir.
Okay. And same? Your class? Fifth B. Any subject, any issue?
No sir.
All is well? Some,
Students are speaking Marwari
Oh,
and teachers are not happy with these students.
okay. So make a list and give to your class teacher tomorrow morning. Yes. Class? Any subject, any problem? From first to last.
GK period. GK.
What?
Aparna ma'am period. Students are shouting.
Shouting and making noise. Okay, I will talk to
अपर्णा मैम
teacher.
है ना जैसे कोई और
Yes, beta.
अपर्णा मैम है ना तो कुछ साइलेंट कराओ है ना कुछ बॉयज जैसे फरमान अली और मैम बहुत सारे बॉयज जो है ना वो सब बहुत साउथ तुम्हारे क्या करना ऐसे गंदे वर्ड्स कहते हैं हमको.
Okay, I will talk. Fine. You give the list. Only in that one period, na? Or all periods? Then give list. All okay? All is well? Any problem, any subject? You? All okay?
Some girls are talking with me and teachers very bad.
Speaking bad words. Okay. So give the list. Okay, in the first period tomorrow. Yes. All is well? Any subject, any problem? इतनी प्यारी बेटियां हैं. So sweet.
निधि है ना निधि
हाँ.
वो
इनका क्या क्लास चेंज कर दें क्या? या दोनों की चोटियां बांध दें? मतलब कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा. ऐसा करते दोनों की शू लेस बांध देते हैं.
और गरिमा को मैं कहती थी कि साइलेंट हो जाए तो क्या मेरे से आर्ग्यूमेंट करती थी.
सही बात है. सही बात. क्योंकि वो खुद ही इतनी बातें करती है तो फिर आप कहोगे तो उसको बुरा लगेगा. हम बात करते हैं. ठीक है. Your class?
फर्स्ट
First. Any subject, any problem? All is well? मजा आ रहा है? रेनबो में खुश हो? कोई बड़े भैया दीदी परेशान तो नहीं करते बच्चों को? टैक्सी वाले अंकल डिस्टर्ब तो नहीं करते हैं? कोई बैड टच, कोई ऐसे तो नहीं करते हैं? ओके, आपको पता है ना गुड टच बैड टच तो सिर्फ पापा मम्मी जो प्यार करते हैं वो गुड टच होता है, बाकी कोई भी अगर अपनी बॉडी को टच करेगा तो वो बैड टच होगा, पापा मम्मी के अलावा, भैया दीदी के अलावा। ठीक है ना बच्चों? हाँ बेटा।
अपने दीदी को ना बैड टच करा था।
कौन?
पूरा वो भी मॉनिटर था ना वो।
अच्छा, तो ठीक है भाई। मैं यस क्लास फर्स्ट। एनी सब्जेक्ट एनी प्रॉब्लम? ओके, आपकी क्लास फर्स्ट। ऑल इज वेल? कोई प्रॉब्लम? बोलो आपको। यस, कोई तकलीफ नहीं है? खुश हो आप रेनबो में? कोई बड़े भैया दीदी परेशान तो नहीं करते हैं? चल। हाँ
सर मुझे ना दोनों भैया दीदी दोनों भैया मुझे परेशान करते हैं।
कौन?
6th क्लास के भैया।
6th क्लास के भैया, उनका नाम कल फर्स्ट पीरियड में मैम को दे देना। आपकी क्लास टीचर कौन है?
प्रीति में।
उनको दे देना, फिर हम प्रीति मैम से बात करेंगे। ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच। लाइक दिस, बच्चों के नन्हे हाथों को चांद सितारे छूने दो, 4 किताबें पढ़ लेंगे तो हम जैसे हो जाएंगे। कीप टॉकिंग टू योर सन, योर डॉटर, बी अ गुड फ्रेंड। थैंक यू।